Welcome fellow YouTubers, here is another quote for you today, this time from Robert Moog, the inventor of the historical Moog synthesizers. I was never worried that synthesizers would replace musicians. First of all, you have to be a musician in order to make music with a synthesizer. Now let's make a kick. Open Reason, log in with your credentials, drag in a subtractor, but any synthesizer will do. Now in the sequencer we'll be drawing in some notes. Let's do it on the C note and every downbeat. Now set a loop to the selection and start playback. Now let's focus on the subtractor. First of all, we're going to reset the device by clicking on the device with the right mouse button. And that's the basic sound we'll get now. For oscillator 1, we're going to select a sine wave and set it an octave lower to get that nice sub. And now we're gonna have oscillator 2, gonna put it on. Again, select a sine wave, put the send on -2 from oscillator 1 to +2. Now we're going to adjust the amplitude envelope and give it more decay and sustain like this. Maybe we can put the volume a little bit higher. This is a good way to start. Now we'll try to give that kick more oomph with the modulation envelope. Set it to the second oscillator and adjust the amount with this button. And we already have a nice acid kick. Now we're gonna adjust ADSR. Just play around with it until you have something you like. I like it pretty dry like this. For more oomph, you can adjust the amount like this. This sounds nice for me. You can up the volume here if you want more loudness from your kicks. So this is a basic kick. You can play around with it and make it more an 808 kick, but adjusting the release at the end here, or you can make it a very dry one, or an acid kick with a decay. Just play around with it and you get a nice sounding kick. I'm gonna leave it with this. I'm happy with this. Now don't forget to save this patch as your kick drum 01. So that was that. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.